Hello, and welcome to a new video on HiCAD facility construction and pipeline planning. In this short video, I would like to show another way to create a pipeline. In the first step, I will now create a new pipeline. I officially name this pipeline second. The pipe class has already been assigned. A nominal diameter, in this case, nominal diameter 100, has also been set on the pipeline. For the routing, or for creating the required guide path, for this new pipeline, we now use the command generate guide path via endpoints. After selecting this command, it is now necessary to define the start and endpoints for the pipeline. I want to place the starting point of the pipeline on this pressure nozzle of the pump, and the endpoint on this inlet nozzle of the container. It is now possible to choose from different edge path alternatives. In our case, HiCAD suggests 6 different variants. With a simple click on Next, I can view the different routings, Once a suitable route has been found, I can incorporate this edge path into the model. Of course, this edge path can still be influenced. For this, there is the command dynamic path change. With this command, I have the ability to dynamically change the course of the edge path. I select a starting point, set fixed points that should not be changed in the pipeline, and then I can adjust the route as desired using drag and drop. Subsequently, this routing or guide path can now be populated with components again. After selecting the desired parts, the assignment of the guide path is carried out as usual. As can now be seen in the model, the guide path has been populated again with components from the pipe class: flanges, bends, straight pipes, gaskets. In this case, also a reduction, as the connection nozzle did not match the chosen nominal diameter of the pipeline. Additionally, another component can be installed in this pipeline. We want to define a pipe support in this area. This is done using the pipe components command. With the help of this mask, I can select a suitable component, in this case a pipe support, and choose a component from the corresponding pipe class. This component can now be dynamically placed along the pipeline. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.